Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll guide you through the process of programming a new key for your Holden Astra AH. This method also applies to Vauxhalls and Opels. These are the items you will need: a blank key, the original key, OPCOM, a laptop, and your car security code. If you don't have one, you will need to visit your local dealership and they should be able to print you the security code car pass for a small fee. Unfortunately, I don't think there is a way to obtain the security code using only the OPCOM for the Astra H, but it can be done on some other models. There are other ways to retrieve the code which is beyond the scope of this video. I've provided links to all the necessary items in the video description below. The new blank key has a transponder with remote functions. It is cheaper to buy this online, link in the description below. Many shopping centers have locksmith kiosks and should be able to cut the key for you. The cost varies. In my area they charge anywhere from $20 to $30. Make sure to test that the key fits the ignition before leaving. Next you want to put the key in and try to start it. As you can see, the immobilizer isn't allowing the car to start. Now leave it in that position. Now we hook up the OPCOM to the OBD2 port. I will cover how to use the OPCOM program in a separate video, as it offers a wide range of functionalities, but for now, let's focus on programming the key. Open OPCOM and go into Settings, then click on Test Interface. This makes sure that everything is working. Save the settings and exit. Navigate to Diagnostics. Select your car's year and model. Then proceed to Body and Immobilizer. Wait for everything to load and then click on Programming. Okay, so go ahead and enter the security code. Click on Immobilizer Programming. Just click Security Code. It will be pre-filled. And press OK. With the key still in the ignition, click Program Transponder Keys. Click Yes. Once the process is completed successfully, your new key is programmed. Now your remote functions properly, allowing you to lock and unlock the doors. Now go ahead and try to start your car. It should start. If it doesn't, repeat the steps again and it should start. Like always, if you found this video helpful, show your support by giving this video a like and comment below. Let me know in the comments what video you would like for me to cover next using the OPCOM program. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.